Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. Here are 3 exciting levels including numbers, letters and emojis. Are you ready? Let's start. Start with easy level. Nobody can find the letter H. Amazing, you find it within time. Anybody can find the odd one emoji within time. This one is the right emoji. Excellent. Find the odd letter YT within given time frame. Good job. This one is the odd letter. Identify the different number 92. Good job. You identify the right number. Puzzle master can find the odd letter. Amazing, you are a puzzle master. Genius can find the odd emoji. Good job, this one is the odd emoji. Difficult to spot the number 69. This one is difficult, but you find it. Find the unique letter within given time. That's one, the unique letter. Can you solve this math quiz? 12 plus 24 minus 29. That one is the right answer. Focus master can find the number 57. Good job, you are a focus master. Easy level done, medium level start. Very difficult to find the odd emoji. That's one, the odd emoji. Genius will pick the odd number 645. Great job, you find it within given time. Eagle eyes can find the odd letter WQF. Great job, this one is the odd letter. Impossible to find the odd number. Great job, this one impossible, but you find it. You faster than a computer find the odd bed. Great, you picked the right emoji. One letter is different, can you find it? Great job, this one is the different letter. Are you smart? Then find the number 629. That's one, the odd number. Can you solve this math quiz? 5 multiply 3 plus 15 minus 20 divide by 2. This option is the right option. Good job. Can you spot the odd letter within given time? You find the correct letter. Genius can find the number 820. Really, you are a genius like Einstein. Anybody can find the odd emoji within time. That's one, the odd emoji. Which one is the unique number? Can you find it? That's one is the unique number. Test your eyes. Find the number 100. Anybody can find the odd letter within given time frame. That's one, the right one. Are you smart? Then pick the odd one number. Amazing! You picked the odd one number. 2 exciting level done, hard level start. Only 1% can find the odd emoji. Yes, this one is the odd emoji. Super Eyes can find the odd number within time. Yes, you are smart. You find it. Can you find the odd letter within time? That one is the odd letter. Sharp Eyes can find the odd number. Challenge. Can you find the odd one within time? %99 failed to find the odd emoji. Amazing! This one is the odd emoji. Test your brain IQ. Find the odd number. Your brain will be tested. You find it. Test your visual skill. Find the odd letter. Brand test. Find the number 5324. Only four eyes can find the odd letter. This one is the different letter. Brand teaser. Find the odd number. The last one. Can you find the odd letter? Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters and emoji, and subscribe the channel.